Hello folks, this is a little video. I'm finally getting a chance to finally make one. I'm on my way to the store right now, but it was last week. I was in my wheelchair, taking my dog for a walk, and out of the clear blue sky, it was actually later on in the evening when this happened, but some guy evidently has a problem with Demolition Ranch, because the guy who tried to assassinate Trump was wearing Demolition Ranch merchandise. And most of all of us know Matt Carricker is not responsible for that shooting. He had nothing to do with that shooting. Now, yeah, the guy was wearing Demolition Ranch merchandise, but that does not mean Demolition Ranch is responsible for what happened, because he's not. But anyways, when you go and attack a guy in a wheelchair for wearing some kind of clothing, and I have several shirts of Demolition Ranch. Matter of fact, I'm wearing one right now. The chicken with the grenades. So I'm not gonna sit there and press charges against Demolition Ranch, because he can't control who he sells his stuff to, nor should he have to control who he sells his stuff to. But no one should go and attack a handicapped person or any person for what they're wearing. It's a constitutional right to wear what you want to wear. If it has anything to say on it, it's a freedom of speech. Anyways, this was going to post a little video explaining what happened, because it's not right that I get attacked because some idiot doesn't like something or somebody. Now, a lot of us are wearing Demolition Ranch to represent, because most of us love Demolition Ranch. I know I do. Plan on one of these days going and actually visiting the place, because I live in Texas, in Austin, so it's like an hour and a half drive from me. But anyways, that's basically all I have to say about that. Anyways, just be careful. Watch these haters, because they're gonna hate. But at the same time, nobody's gonna sit there and tell me what I can and cannot wear. So I'm gonna wear what I want to wear. Anyways, with that being said, here at the store now. I gotta go do a little shopping and then go back home, and wife is making some breakfast. So anyways, ladies and gentlemen, have a good day. God bless you.